Hey folks, so I'm here just by the A La Cartes, but you know, over there is the buffet, just on the other side of that little section there, going up that little hole there between the tree and that post. Now anyway, over there is the buffet. Now yesterday when I was in there, I wanted to take a quick little sneak in the back because of some posts that were being mentioned. People are trying to defame, to destroy or whatever, or destroy Cuba, the resort, or Cuba, or both. And you can see this is the resort by the name up here. This is one of the few restaurants. So I hope you can see that. But anyway, I'm going to come to the back of the building. I don't know exactly. It's a big section, so maybe not all this area is obviously the buffet because it's part of the restaurants as well. You can see staff only. There's tennis and whatnot area if people want to play tennis, but I don't know if they actually have availability because I don't see nowhere you can grab it unless that building over there is the availability to grab something to play tennis with, you know, the equipment. You can see it's kind of an old building. I mean, it is Cuba. It's quite an old building, just due to age and, you know, weathering from wear and tear of the weather. And I'm coming to the back here because I want to show you guys the back area. Now, in this post that they had done, there was what I'll call defamation and showing like food and this and that and garbage piled up galore, which is completely false. And I was here the other day and it looked pretty clean. So I just want to show quickly that it's really clean back here to prove to people that it's not dirty. Oh, look at that, a nice shipment of water. Hola. Okay, so this is just the garbage from this morning, which is not bad. Okay, so in this post, somebody's claiming it's everywhere. Now, this is probably just from today and last night. That's not a typical amount of garbage. But the other day, it was very, very clean. This is just, like I said, from today and maybe last night. But as you can see, it looks very clean back here. Very clean. There is no cockroaches, no bugs other than just basic flies and whatnot at this point. According to the post, they were everywhere. Yeah.